While I love the flavor it produces, I seriously dislike the upkeep. And in the winter, I yearn for a way to prepare juicy chicken with beautiful grill marks, without freezing my butt off in the frigid Canadian cold. Enter the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro Grill, an indoor, electric-powered grill and griddle that claims to give you the same deep char as a traditional gas grill, and air fry and dehydrate, to boot. After using the Ninja Foodi Pro Grill for almost 2 months now, I'm pretty confident that my time on the outdoor grill may soon see its end. I'm ready to grill year-round with this handy kitchen gadget. Cooking with the grill. Arguably the best feature of this grill is the Smart Cook system. I'm a pretty good cook, but I hate babysitting meat unless it's a Saturday evening and I have nowhere to be. The Smart Cook system lets you put the thermometer in a piece of meat you're cooking, input the type of meat and the desired doneness, and then the grill will shut off and alert you when the food is ready. It lets me cook a nice cut of meat without worrying about under or overcooking it while I tend to side dishes. Every time I cooked steak on the Ninja Smart Grill, it came out a perfect medium rare, my personal preference. I loved being able to flit around the kitchen to focus on other tasks, making mashed potatoes, simmering peas, preparing a mushroom sauce, while the Ninja did the work of keeping tabs on the protein. The air frying mode also delivers in terms of performance. It produced ultra-crispy fries twice over and was incredibly easy to clean afterward. There's enough room in the fryer basket to cook up to 2 pounds of food. I used some of the other settings less frequently than the grill or air fryer mode, but they performed equally well. I used the griddle once to quickly cook up thinly sliced beef for rice bowls, and it worked like a charm, though I preferred using the grill because it's securely locked into place. The griddle accessory sits on top of the grill grates, and while it's fairly secure, it does move around slightly. I also used the broiling setting to melt Havarti cheese on subs for dinner one night. The results were similar to using my oven's broiler. Though I missed having a window to peep inside and make sure nothing was burning, it was easy enough to pop open the lid. The roasting setting helped me cook a juicy pork tenderloin. This setting works much like the oven, but the benefit of the Ninja is that preheating is much quicker and you can keep tabs on meat temperature with the smart thermometer. My full-size oven actually has a built-in thermometer, but there's no way to select a target temperature. I didn't use the dehydrating or baking functions, but I suspect they work just as well. And just having 5 easy-to-use, go-to-cooking functions offers plenty of value in my mind. Another benefit of using the Ninja Grill is that despite reaching high temps, it doesn't produce clouds of smoke, something that seems to happen frequently when I cook on the stovetop. And virtually nothing gets stuck to the grill, thanks to its slippery ceramic nonstick coating. You can cook with the lid open or closed. The included guide provides you with guidance on when to shut or open it. Pros: smokeless operation, guided cooking using the smart thermometer, 7 easy-to-use cook modes, grill or griddle with the lid open or closed, quick preheating. Cons: heavy and difficult to store. Who is it for? Like the original unit, this indoor cooking unit is great for apartment or condo dwellers, RV enthusiasts, or those in a military barracks or college dorm. Those would be the obvious choices though, right? If you followed my blog for long, you know I have more grills than most people have teeth, so an indoor grill wouldn't be a great gift for someone like me, or would it? Check out my final thoughts for more. Final thoughts on the new Ninja Grill. I use the Ninja Foodi Grill, Smart XL Grill and Griddle all the time. It heats up faster than my outdoor grills, cleans up easier, controls smoke very well, and I'm not dependent on good weather to cook a perfect steak. Add to that, the griddle surface is just plain cool, and I find myself exploring the world of griddle cooking more and more. Sure, I have a griddle for my outdoor grill, but it's just not always practical. Is it better than a high-end outdoor grill? Of course not, it would be silly to think so, but that's not the point. The Ninja Foodi Grill won't replace your outdoor grill. However, it is a reliable substitute for the outdoor grill when time, weather, or space are factors. Buy it if you don't have space for an outdoor grill. This compact appliance allows you to grill indoors from the convenience of a table or countertop. You want a single countertop tool that can roast, bake, grill, broil, and dehydrate. Rather than have an air fryer, indoor grill, and a toaster oven, you can consolidate all those cooking appliances into this single unit. You'd like a smart appliance that helps you cook better. If you're unsure how long to cook chicken for, or when to turn a steak over on the grill, you'll love how the Ninja Smart Cooking System informs you when to add food, remove food, turn food over, and lets you choose a customizable doneness level for meat.